Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the latest Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. I was really lucky and I was able to pick up two handbags. So let me show you what I got from the store. So the first bag I want to show you came in this box. Both of these bags came in the Louis Vuitton Murakami paper bag. It looks like this at the front and like this at the back. You can see. And once you open up the box, I actually already opened this one. So these special packaging tag and the ribbons are inside. So the ribbons look like this. It says Louis Vuitton Murakami and has these cute little characters on the ribbon. And then my sales associate actually asked me to pick one charm or tag, I don't really know what they're called, between the three. And look how cute this is. Look how cute this guy is. But she ended up giving me all three of them anyway, so let me show you what they look like. The second charm looks like so. Super cute. And the last one, the panda charm, looks like this. And all of them have this multicolor monogram in the back, and it's like a thin cardboard material. I think it'll be super cute, maybe on the next Christmas tree. Maybe I could laminate it or something. They're super cute individually or all together. They're super cute, as you can see. Yeah, that's what I got in the box. And then, of course, my handbag. My first reveal today is going to be, can you guys guess what it is? The Alma BB in black epi leather. Oh my god, I love the new leather smell. So it has this detachable panda charm as well. And as you can see, it's made with leather and black on the back, panda at the front, and the bag also has this Louis Vuitton Murakami logo on the side, which is super cute. I'm just gonna show you a close-up. Yeah, and Alma BB typically doesn't come with gold hardware, but this one does. So if you just want to be under the radar, you can carry the bag like this. And if you want a pop of color, you can carry it like this. You can also just remove the charm and carry it like this as well. And it's like just a little cute logo over there, and otherwise a really clean, wearable look with any outfit. I think this is super cute. And like, I got the last piece at the boutique I was visiting. I saw it, and I don't usually shop at Louis Vuitton, so I just went because I love Murakami, saw that bag, and I wasn't gonna get anything from this collection unless I loved it. Like, generally I don't shop unless I absolutely love the item, and this one was just love at first sight. I had to get it. I mean, how cute is this charm? Like the pop of color against the black and the classic silhouette of Alma BB. And I've always wanted to get an Alma BB, and I was just looking for the right one. Like this one being a Murakami limited edition, and with the 20th anniversary, just seemed like the perfect timing to get it. The price point also, I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but it was, you know, very much worth it, I felt. Let me check from the receipt actually how much this bag was. I got this in the boutique in Seoul for 3.65 million won. And yeah, so I picked up the last bag at the boutique, and after I made the payment and I was just waiting for my bag, sipping coffee, my SA comes back and she's like, oh, the customer over there really wanted to see your bag, but I told the other SA that you already paid for it. So I was like, yes, I'm winning today. Do you guys want to see what it looks like on the inside? There is a plastic bag inside with the longer leather strap and the lock that comes with Alma, and the keys as well. And you'll see, I don't know if you can see, but inside there is a Louis Vuitton Murakami logo, and it says made in France. Okay, you guys can't really see it with the sliding, I apologize. Yeah, that's the bag that I got. And like, I checked online, I went to the store on January 6th, and this was one of the boutiques that wasn't that far from where I was and had the items in stock. So I went there, and they had a lot of items on display actually, from bags, sandals, to, you know, SLGs, little, you know, pochette accessoire, and scarves, obviously, shoes. And so that's how I just kind of went into the store and picked up the bags. And the SA told me that their store tends to get more stock than most boutiques, and so it was relatively easy to shop there. But I saw online from a lot of people that it was really hard to order online, or you know, just walk into a boutique and find the item that they were looking for. And it seems that within a matter of a few days, everything was sold out pretty quickly. This is the second bag that I want to show you. I haven't really opened it yet. This bag is huge. It doesn't even like fit in the screen, but you get an idea of how big this is. And ta-da! It came packaged like this. That other box was very similarly packaged with one of the charms. And I didn't get any like stickers or any other accessories with this purchase, but I'm still really happy I got the ribbon and the panda charm and the other cardboard charms that my SA kindly gave me. Let me open this up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes. And this one also came with this little cardboard charms, and they're super cute. And I'm kind of obsessed with Murakami, so this is such an iconic collab. Wow, this bag is a lot smaller than I remember. Right, let me show you guys. Little dust bag, same dust bag as the one that came with Alma BB. And oh my god, I am so lucky. This one was also made in France. Both of these bags were made in France. I don't know if you guys know, but on the website, it says that your bag might be made in France, Italy, Spain, or the United States. And mine was made in France, so I feel very lucky about that. This one, as you can see, comes with a lot of little accessories. So it's got the little, I don't know what this is called, coin purse. And if you open it up, and you can of course detach it, you can remove all of these little accessories and just wear a really clean look as well. And the inside just looks like so. Not much going on in there. Yeah, and then it just says Louis Vuitton, made in France. That's cool. Very cool. I don't know why I love it when a bag is made in France. It just feels like it was made more properly. So you can see, this one is a detachable mirror and it comes like this. So cute. And then on the other side, they have this mirror and it says Louis Vuitton Paris. I don't think I will ever remove the mirror from the bag. It's just so iconic to have it like in here, like this. It's just such a look. And then you can see like the multicolor logo through like this little gap here as well, which I like. Yeah, let's attach some straps to this bag. So all the straps are inside this little plastic bag that my SA put inside the bag, and I'll attach both straps just to show you. I mean, you guys probably all know what Marilini looks like, but just to give you a feel for this specific version, what it looks like, how it feels. Oh my god, it's so cute. How cute is this? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I mean, this multicolor monogram coin purse really adds to the overall look of the bag. I think it's a really good like winter bag, but it could also be a really good summer bag. And you could really wear any outfit with it because there are all colors of the rainbow on the coin purse, as you can see. I mean, how cute. And then for some of you that might think, oh, the gold chain is a bit much for me, you could always like just take this part out. You can try to kind of imagine what that would look like, right? And then it's a bit of a clean look. Actually, let's remove it just so we can get a better idea of what that would actually look like. And voila. Yeah, so it's a very different vibe. I feel like this bag is a chameleon. It depends how you want to wear it. It could be a completely different look. And then if you remove the coin purse as well, it's gonna be like just like that. That's not a bad look either. Usually I don't like to wear anything with like obvious logos, but this one was just too cute and pop artsy and I had to get it. And even so, you can kind of wear it without all of these, so that's, you know, depending on how you're feeling on the day, you could go like all out, or you could go a little more classy and understated. So, and that's the thing about both of these bags, is because like the detail isn't too much, it's still very classic. It's classic with a twist, with a little bit of fun, and I love that. There's a longer strap here as well, so let me just attach that to show you what that looks like. I think if you have like other charms, you know, from Louis Vuitton or other brands that you shop from and wanna like attach them to this bag just to jazz it up, you could totally do it, because you can see this little ring here has enough space for more than like 3 things already, and you could probably go a little crazy, like maybe add another wallet or a little Hello Kitty or whatever you fancy, right? The interesting thing about this longer strap is that this is actually the shorter length of the longer strap, which is more for the look than function, because as you can see, they're almost the same length. But then you can like really extend the strap to be like a full crossbody strap size. And I love it. Like this one's a little funky, a little jazzy. My Alma is my classy panda baby. I love it. I'm obsessed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.